Okay, so now that we've looked kind of at a bird's eye view and introduction to the Grav there, whatever we're calling this thing, Grav, I was curious. I wanted to dig more down into the templates. So, for example, let's go into the so, okay, user pages, home, inside home, we got carousel. Okay, carousel. When you open up carousel, look at this. There's just some metadata about each slide. Heading, in this case, it's just the image. So what if you're more curious about maybe how to create your own carousel and control what kind of stuff gets shown on the carousel? Well, I don't know that yet. Let's figure it out. You can come into pages, and then we'll go user, we'll go into, we got plugins, and we're not going to go there now. We're going to go into themes, and we go into the theme that we're using, which is X Corporation. And you can see here that we got templates. And look at this. No, oh, we got partial. We got the header, navbar, .twig. I don't know anything about twig. But so this is where more of the action happens. So I don't know what to do in here. So look at this, go into modular, and you look at, say, carousel, and we'll press F4 on that, and here we go. This is where the actual code gets written of it, and I'm sure the CSS is somewhere else. So I'm not sure what language this is. I guess this is Twig, but it's obviously, you can do some smart stuff with it. And if you want to add classes or IDs to things, this is where you would do it. So I'm going to close that. Alright, let's look at, say, clients. So if you want to add a new class to each client, you can just come in here and add it in there, and then it gets added to all of them on the site, and every page that uses the client module, or whatever we're calling these pieces that get injected into pages. I think that's pretty sweet, super organized. Here's a good observation here, H2 page title. So that will pull the page title from the page that whatever module this thing is on. Okay, then you can see we got another little widget here, client URL. Then we got client image. So let's go take a look over at that here. Let's open back up our home page where we know we have clients, and we'll click on clients here. And you can see on the clients page that we have those pieces. Oops, I guess we're on expert here. Let's go back to normal where we can enter stuff in. Company name, client image, and client URL. So this is client URL. Here's the client image. Name, I would assume that's in here somewhere. Oh yeah, right here, client name. That'll get printed out. So it looks like that prints out. So it looks like that doesn't print out as text, it just prints out as maybe a property when you mouse over the page. Let's go check that out. Okay, here's our client. Geez, it's a really fast scroll. So when you mouse over this one, I'm not actually getting the name, but I imagine it's in there. Control U. So find clients. Company name. Maybe you need to have a client name attached to it, huh? Company name. Okay, so we don't have any company names. We'll put Wes Man right here. Let's save that. Alright. Okay. And then we'll go back here. Press refresh. Company name. Okay, it still isn't set up to print it. clients. But you can see it did put Westman in the alt code. This isn't that fascinating of a part of this video. We're just delving into some of the details here. It's an exploratory deal. So I think it does a good job of letting you get as complex as you want to get, or keep in the easy department if you want to stay in the easy department. You know, if you gave this to a client, they're not going to be able to mess this part up. They're just going to be able to maybe add or remove some clients here. They're not going to be able to mess up the entire layout of the page by accidentally deleting a div or adding a div.